your local Weather Authority forecast.
The above normal trend in temperatures continues, and with that, breezy conditions at times. A live look at the tall city. Very thin clouds right now, not producing any rainfall, as the big story will be the record-breaking heat today with the threat of fire conditions. We do notice that camera is shaking as those winds may gust more than 40 miles per hour at times throughout the region. Now, take a look at the bigger picture. We do notice that we have a stationary front that really has not been moving much all morning, slowly trekking its way east. Now, anywhere west of that stationary front, it's mostly dry, but we have still clouds and humidity, again, anywhere east of that front, but that front will continue to move off to the east, providing that humidity and clouds will continue to move eventually out of our viewing area. Now, this morning, it was certainly a mild one, the warmest low temperature on record, not just for this day in history, but for the month of May at 78 degrees. Very muggy with warm and cloudy conditions this morning, but we do notice that, again, those clouds are beginning to move out of our viewing area, moving off into the east. We had some light rain showers earlier this morning, really did not amount to too much because of a lot of dry air in the upper levels of the atmosphere. We're going to continue to see that as we head throughout the next several hours. That humidity will still linger in the southern and eastern basin, where there's a slight chance of storms. Places like Sanderson, Ira Ann, Brewster County, they need the rainfall. Not going to amount to too much, but hey, they'll take any chances of rain that they will get. But again, the bigger story will be the basin-wide heat, especially this afternoon. High temperature 103 degrees, average high 89 degrees. This is in the tall city, and that daily record high temperature was set back at 2013 at 103 degrees. So we will be flirting with near record high temperatures today at the expense of fire weather. These pink colored counties indicate, again, fire weather warnings, including Ector and Midland County. That's in effect till 9 p.m. local time. I've been saying this for the past several weeks. Critical to extreme fire weather conditions. So again, please be weather aware out there. Any fires that do ignite will spread rapidly because of those strong winds. And those storms off to our south and east will really spread out those winds in all directions in the eastern Permian Basin. Winds sustained around 30 to 35 miles per hour at times later this afternoon. Winds gusting more than 40 to 50 miles per hour, limiting visibility because of blowing dust, and also, again, potentially elevating the risk of fire weather. But clearing skies tonight, low temperature 72 degrees. Still breezy out there with southwesterly winds sustained, still at 15 to 25 miles per hour. Again, throughout the day, temperatures soaring into the 90s and triple digits. One of the warmest temperatures for, again, many areas in this day in history, and one of the warmest temperatures so far this season. Cooling off tonight in the 60s and the 70s, so not quite as warm as what we saw this morning. And then as we head into tomorrow, temperatures soaring in the 90s in triple digits once again, but it'll be even drier with more blowing dust potentially and more risk of fire weather. So that's something that we're going to deal with later today, especially into tomorrow, and even warmer and drier and breezier on Thursday. High temperature of 104 degrees, but cooling off a little bit on Friday, which will give way to below normal temperatures this weekend.